Hi everyone. With CAT 2025 upcoming in less than 48 hours, एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो सब लोग पूछ रहे हैं और अगर नहीं पूछ रहे हैं उनको पूछना चाहिए इज़ हम जो रफ वर्क करेंगे उसमें नंबर वन हमें कितनी शीट्स दी जाती है बिकॉज वेन वी डू इट एट होम इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ शीट्स यू वांट 100 यू वांट 200 यू वांट 20 आई एम श्योर 100 200 चाहिए नहीं बट जितने चाहिए यू कैन गो एड एंड कीप विथ योर सेल्फ. नंबर टू, will the sheet be exactly the same as what I have been using during my preparation? Now, इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम आती है. Generally, when we are preparing at home, sitting down, chilling, relaxing, and doing it without much stress, we are doing it in this sort of a sheet known as an A4 sheet. इसका साइज देखो, लेंथ देखो, स्पेस देखो, बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस है. मेरे को अगर एक टेबल बनानी है, I can go ahead and use the entire sheet to go ahead and create a table. On the day of CAT, you are not provided a sheet. First and foremost, you are provided a booklet. वो spiral booklet होती नहीं. The booklet is something like this. Yes, this is good that we've got a CL branding booklet here. It won't happen on the day of CAT, but yeah, this is the size of the booklet. This is how it will look. As you can see, you open it upwards, right? This is how you open it, which means spiral नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. It is like this. This is the format. It's portrait at this point in time, and I go ahead and use it based as a portrait book. Now, if I'm opening this particular notebook, as you can see here, this is ruled. The actual CAT notebook will not be ruled, it will be plain. So let's assume this is the actual CAT notebook. खोल के देख रहा हूँ तो वो इतनी लंबी हो सकती है. This is basically the entire size of the notebook that I can go ahead and utilize. Now, there are a couple of questions that generally come up at this point in time. How to go ahead and effectively make use of this notebook when it comes to DILR? What are some of the elements that I should keep in mind when I go ahead and make my pointers when it comes to RCs or quant? Should I always convert it into landscape mode when I'm going ahead and solving DILR? या portrait mode पे भी हो सकता है. This and much more. Over the course of the next few minutes, let me go ahead and help you a little with respect to how to effectively utilize this booklet and what are some of the key pointers that you need to go ahead and keep in mind. So this is what your sheet looks like. Now generally when I look at this, say I assume कि ये एक full ऊपर से लेके नीचे एक sheet है. इसका basically I can go ahead and state in the actual CAT exam you will get roughly around 10 to 12 such sheets bare minimum. It can even go up to about 15 to 20. Enough होगा, more than enough होगा. You generally do not need anything more than this. Now when I'm looking at this, 2 to 3 questions come up. The first question that comes up is, will I get additional मेरे को मिलेगी कि नहीं. In general, additional booklets are not given. There is only one booklet given per person. Right at the opening, you will need to go ahead and put your name, your enrollment number or the roll number or the CAT registration number that has been provided to you. These are two things that they will categorically go ahead and ask you to fill in right at the beginning. Now, additional sheet in general नहीं मिलती है. There have been exams over the last 4-5 years in a couple of centers they've given, in 2 or 3 they've not given. So assume करके मैं जाऊंगा कि नहीं है. Having said that, it's going to be enough number of pages here. 20 to 30 pages होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा चाहिए नहीं. Imagine I take this entire for one LRDI also. If I have to do 5 such, so it will just going to take 5. एंड क्वांट का इन ईच ऑफ दीज आई कैन डू एटलीस्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस. दैट मीन्स मेरे को अगर 20 क्वेश्चन भी करने आई जस्ट नीड 10 मोर. सो दैट मीन्स like this I will just need 5 more. So 4-5 in DILR, 4-5 in quant. You will still go ahead and have some more for VARC in case you need it. So enough होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो आता है, टेबल कैसे बनाए. नाउ देयर आर 2 ways ऑफ डूइंग इट. एक समझो एक सिंपल सी टेबल है, मेरे को 4x4 या 5x5 बनाना है. यू कैन जस्ट गो ahead and simply create a table like this. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Simple table, right? If I'm looking at this, I've created a 4x4 table. इसी को बढ़ाना होगा, I will just create a 5x5 table like this. बहुत simple way में you will go ahead and create tables. Now imagine the question is such that मेरे को 4x4 या 5x5 या 4x5 नहीं बनाने, मेरे को ज़्यादा बनाने हैं. Say I need to go ahead and create 8 particular rows. If I need to do that, even that I can do here. 8 rows as long as the number of columns is enough. Say it is 5, मैं 8 अभी भी यहाँ बना सकता हूँ, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है, लाइफ इज ईजी. बट से यू नीड टू क्रिएट एन इवन बिगर वन. 10x10 बनाना है. इन जनरल ऐसा सेट तो अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं करना चाहिए, बट से आपको 10x10 बनाना है. नाउ देयर आर 2 ways in which you can go ahead and proceed. एक, if I go ahead and start creating it like this, 10 cross 10 is going to be difficult because you are basically going to give yourself very little space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, देखो स्पेस कम है, मैं चलो इसको थोड़ा नीचे भी अगर कर देता, this is not going to be enough space for you to go ahead and operate. एक ऐसे. Second is, if you are smart, what you can do is you can look at this complete thing. Now 10 cross 10 अगर मैं बनाऊंगा, maybe I will go ahead and create like this. But if they suddenly tell me मेरे को 10 rows बनाने हैं and 4 columns बनाने हैं, I might want to go ahead and say, अच्छा, why not create that entire table like this? You know, they have told me 10 rows and 4 columns. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, something like this. You can go ahead and create as simple as that. Okay, so please keep in mind, if there is a need and you need to go across and utilize it completely, please go ahead and do that. Don't be too worried, don't be too stressed. A couple of other things that I generally like to keep a note of is, इस एग्जाम में कैट में ज़्यादा नहीं होता, बट इन अदर एग्जाम्स इट्स हेल्पफुल, समटाइम्स इट माइट हेल्प यू इन कैट एज वेल. आई जनरली लाइक टू गो ahead and put the entire alphabet A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. यहाँ पे 10 आ गए, यहाँ पे 10 आ गए, यहाँ पे 6 आ गए. आई लाइक टू राइट इट एंड कीप इट रेडी विथ मी इन केस अल्फाबेट ओरिएंटेड कुछ आ गया जब पोजिशनिंग को लेके होगा. दिस हेल्प्स अ लॉट इन एग्जाम्स लाइक एनमैट एंड स्नैप. Whether it will help specifically in CAT is not a necessity, but nothing goes, you know, to go ahead and just write it down at the beginning of the paper. There are no issues with it. Please keep in mind, you should not be tearing any sheets and carrying it with you. You should not go ahead and not write your name or your roll number, because eventually this is something that is going to be taken by the CAT authorities. उसके अलावा ये जो हलबू होता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ये शीट का साइज छोटा है, डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू गो एड एंड हैंडल इट. I do not pay too much heed to it. It is very similar to an A4 size sheet. The only difference is, तुम जब A4 में भी टेबल बनाते, समझो मैं इसके ऊपर अगर रख रहा हूँ, A4 में भी मैं अगर एक टेबल बनाता, मैं टेबल को ऐसे बनाने की क्या जरूरत थी? Couldn't I have created that same table in this much space? That is all basically that is being provided to you. You have enough space to go ahead and operate. This is incorrect information when somebody states कि ये नहीं हो पाता. Having said that, there are just 2 or 3 pointers that we wanted to share in terms of how you could go ahead and effectively utilize it. Like we stated, please be ready to go ahead and use this particular mode. Please be ready to go ahead and use the landscape mode as and where needed. These are the only 2 to 3 things that you need to keep in mind. Other than that, utilization of this is not something to worry about. सेकेंडली, रूल्ड नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे है रूल्ड नहीं होना इज अ बेटर थिंग, बिकॉज अगर वो रूल्ड होता है, कई बार हम जो लाइन बनाते हैं और वो जो रूलिंग वाली लाइन होती है वो ओवरलैप नहीं करती और फिर मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ. One last thing that I would want to add is, especially in sets related to missing data. Imagine this was a set where this piece of information was already given in the set. Now, basis whatever I am doing, I am deriving this information. Look at the information that I have circled. This is my derived information. The information that is not circled is information that was given in the particular set in the question. This helps in 2 ways. Number 1, in case there are multiple cases that will be created, you know कि जब मैं second table बना रहा हूँ, मेरे को ये full चीज़ copy करनी है, only this circled ones change. Imagine इसका option हो सकता था, यहाँ तो वो 3 होगा, यहाँ 5 होगा. I will create exactly the same table. Okay, I will create exactly the same table. Basis that I will go ahead and input the information, and इस 3 की जगह यहाँ पे मैं 5 लिख दूंगा. That's all that I will go ahead and do. Okay, so that's the way that I would operate. Second, in case I end up going ahead and making a mistake, I know that these are the only cells that I need to look at. मेरा कोई भी आंसर नहीं आ रहा जो ऑप्शंस में थे उनमें से, then these are the cells that I will look at. यहाँ पे शायद मैं कोई गलती कर रहा हूँ, उसको मैं अवॉइड करूंगा. सो दीज आर बेसिकली 1 or 2 थिंग्स दैट आई वांट यू ऑल टू कीप इन माइंड. ऑल्सो कीप इन माइंड, ईच टाइम मैं एक टेबल बना रहा हूँ, स्पेशली अगर मेरे को दिख रहा है कि सम वम आने वाला है, एक यहाँ पे एडिशनल जगह बना दूँ, 1 more रो 1 more कॉलम के लिए, ताकि वो सम वाला या टोटल वाला फंडा आ सके. प्लीज कीप दैट इन माइंड. अदर देन दैट, यूटिलाइजेशन of this sheet is not something that you need to worry about, not something that you should be overwhelmed with. It is more or less in sync with whatever you've been doing till date. As you would have realized, The utilization of this sheet or this booklet is not different from anything that you've been doing during your preparation. तो लोग थोड़ा डराते हैं, डरो मत, हरका दो थोड़ा, सुनो मत, रिलैक्स करो. डोंट फॉर नो रीजन गो अहेड एंड क्रिएट अनदर रीजन ऑफ वरी एंड स्ट्रेस. उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Hope this was helpful. Hope this abated some of the fear that you might have had. Enough number of sheets होगी बुकलेट में. I am repeating this. ये मत बोलो 32 है, 40 है, 50 है, 100 है, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इनफ है. वो 20 भी हो तो इनफ है. लाइक आई हैव स्टेटेड, वी जस्ट डिड अ कैलकुलेशन एज वेल कि भैया क्वांट प्लस DILR कंबाइंड में मुझे 10 से ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए होंगी. ऊपर नीचे कर लूंगा तो 20 हो जाएगी. सो प्लीज डोंट फ्रेट, प्लीज डोंट वरी, इट इज़ गुड इनफ. All the very best from our end for CAT 2025. Go ahead, put in your best foot forward, try to relax as much as possible, and we'll meet you on the other side during the exam analysis on 30th on the Career Launcher YouTube channel.